Your Lyric controller would like you to speak up. After all, it's the easiest way to activate your smart scenes. First, let's learn how to talk to Lyric controller. A pre-loaded tutorial will help you understand how to use the voice command feature. Simply tap Security and then Tools. Identify yourself and tap Voice Command. And finally, Voice Training. Welcome to the Lyric Smart Control voice tutorial. When you complete training, you can pair a voice command to a smart scene. Tap Voice Control. Let's look at bedtime. Select the bedtime voice command. You'll see a list of smart scenes available for pairing. Tap Bedtime and save. Great! All you need to do now is talk. Try this. Say, "Hello, Lyric." Wait for the prompt.
Hello. Please say your command.
And then say bedtime.
Processing bedtime command.
To run your bedtime smart scene. Just like that. Lyric controller runs all your actions. The only thing it won't do is tuck you in. Yet.